What's up? XOKARARAE here, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. Before I jump into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video with all of your friends. And yeah, if you clicked on this video, it's because you want to know more about the YSL Medium Sunset. I've had this bag for a little over a year now, so I felt like I could give you guys a good review of this bag. This video is stemming from my unboxing video. I will link that somewhere up here or over here, as well as down below in the description bar. And when I did my unboxing video, I did receive a few comments on how I liked the bag, what fit inside the bag, things like that. And I just felt like, I should probably do a review video to just answer some of those questions for you guys and maybe help somebody out that's considering buying this bag. To start out, I want to just kind of give a timeline of when I got the bag and things like that. So I originally purchased this bag from Fashion File and I received it in December. I filmed the video January, I believe it was January or February of 2019, and then I carried the bag all throughout 2019. Now it was in, I want to say it was in like late July, I decided to sell the original YSL Sunset that I purchased. It was a black on black bag. It had black leather, black hardware, and the strap was leather as well. And I purchased the same bag, but the bag that I traded the other one in for has the chain strap, and it is the crocodile leather. And this is what it looks like. It does have the double chain, so you can let it out to make it like a crossbody, or you can do more of a shoulder bag and double the chain up like this. So this is the bag that I sold my other one for, and I purchased this one. Same size, same specs, just the chain is really the only difference. The leather is different and the hardware is the silver instead of just the black on black. Alright, so now I want to go over my pros and cons of the bag and kind of give a review of how I've been carrying the bag, how I've been liking the bag so far, and even a little bit on what fits inside. So I did jot down all of my points on my phone. First, I want to start with the pros of the bag. Let's just start out by saying how gorgeous this bag is. It just adds to every look that you create. Any outfit that you wear, it's going to elevate it. It's just a really gorgeous bag. It goes with everything. I decided to go with the black color just because it's really classic. I don't have any black bags. The majority of my high-end bags are all Louis Vuitton and brown. This bag also fits all of my essentials, and I will show you guys exactly how I carry this bag and what I carry inside of this bag so you can kind of get an idea of what might fit inside of it. So first, start by opening it. I'm going to try to do this as neatly as possible, but we'll see how this turns out. I usually always carry a perfume or a spray of some sort. This is my Chanel Chance Tender. I always carry this with me. So I put that in the front pocket right there. Goodness. Next, I usually always have some type of lippy with me. This is just the NARS Primal Instinct. This is an oil tint infusion type of thing. I love the way this feels and looks. It's very natural. I usually always have that. And then whatever lip pencil that I'm wearing, I usually will bring that too, just in case I need to touch up anything like that. So that is all in the front pocket there. And then in today's society, we need some hand sanitizer. So I have Purell hand sanitizer that I usually always carry with me just to kind of keep things sanitized, and that goes in the front as well. And then next I have my wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. It's like a bifold wallet or trifold wallet. That will go in the back pocket like that, and it fits really nicely back there. And then I always bring my AirPods just because they're so convenient, so that also will go in that back pocket like that. And last but not least, I usually will throw my keys somewhere in here, and in this case they fit right on top right there, and I can still close up the bag nicely it still holds its shape nicely, and it is not too stuffed. And that's usually what I bring with me on any type of outing that I go to, is those items that fit inside of the bag. Now for the cons of the bag. I'm just going to sit her right back here so you guys can still see the bag while I'm talking about it. So for my first con, I want to talk about the structure. So as I pick up the bag that I just put down, the structure of the bag, it's this accordion style build, and it is very, very, very structured. The structure is very rigid. You can't quite get away with anything. If you're trying to put too much in the bag, you really can't get away with that because of the structure of the bag. Which leads me to my next point. It does not fit a lot. So my essentials are my essentials. That's kind of what I bring when I'm like leaving the house, but you can't really add anything else. So if I wanted to put my phone in there, for instance, this is the 11 Pro, I cannot fit that in this bag. Usually I'll carry it in my hand or put it in my pocket or something like that, but that will not fit in here. Hand cream, I really don't have room for that in here. It's just a lot of little things that you don't quite think about you actually needing until you can't put them in the bag, that you're like, oh, I needed that and I can't bring it. So it doesn't fit a lot, and really maybe even if I downsize on my wallet to maybe like a card case or a card holder, that might make a big difference. But I don't have a card holder, so that is my smallest wallet, and that kind of does eat up a lot of room. So I will just throw that out there. And then even with what you can fit inside of the bag, you have to be really strategic about how you place it in here. So you saw how I put everything in. I had to experiment with that a couple of times before I made it look as seamless as I did on camera. But when I put my wallet in first, I could not get the other stuff that I wanted to in this front pocket in the bag. So that's just something that I noticed, is putting your smaller items in first and then putting the larger items in makes a little bit of a difference, but just something to throw that out there. You have to be strategic about how everything is positioned in the bag in order to make it work. My last point is it is not very travel friendly, and that was just a con on my part because I did carry this on 2 vacations that I went on. I first went to LA back in the end of March of 2019, and I took this bag, and it wasn't this one, it was the black on black YSL Medium Sunset that I had. And just some of the cons that I've already talked about, not being able to fit a lot, having to be strategic about how you fit things in, that was just one of my main gripes about carrying this bag when I went to LA. All in all, I will say that the pros outweigh the cons for this bag, and it just is an amazing piece to own. If you have one of these bags, I'm sure you love it. I love it. Like I said, the pros outweigh the cons for me. I don't regret this purchase. It is perfect for what I needed it for, and I really like this bag. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed my review on this YSL Medium Sunset, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys own one of these or you're thinking about purchasing one of these bags down in the comments below. And also let me know if this video is helpful for those of you who are considering purchasing this bag. Let me know what you thought of this video and if it helped you at all in making up your decision on purchase this bag or not. So in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like these. And until my next one, I will see you later. Bye!